Umuulan-ulan na and I have a good catch. Look. Kahit hindi palakihin, malaki talaga siya. Fish on.
This is Eaters Vlog, 15 taon na po sa YouTube.
Wow. Tumubo na yung mga anak ko. Sitaw. String beans. Ito na po yung ginagawa na ng flood control project dito. Yan, nasira na yung river coastline. Ayan o. Evasive, di ba? Well, ito mawawala na yata itong kawayan na ito. Paunti-unti. Maybe this is my last to fish here and look for another suitable fishing spot sa boundary ng Katanusan at Baliwag Nuevo. Taka first yung DIY kong binbito. Oh. Gotcha. Umuulan-ulan na and I have a good catch. Look. Kahit hindi palakihin, malaki talaga siya. Fish on. Let's fish. It's 12:01 now. Happy lunchtime. Gotcha. Yummy birds. I catch a shrimp. Hey. Another one.
Bon appétit everyone. Good bless. Sarap.